Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Pharma Learning with Deepika. After a very long time, I am making videos again. Due to some personal reason, I was unable to create videos, but now I am back with fantastic learning content, interesting topics and much more. So stay connected, keep supporting and let's learn together once again. Hydrocarbons are not just chemistry book compounds, they are part of our daily life. Petrol contains hydrocarbons that fuel vehicles. LPG and natural gas are hydrocarbons used for cooking. Even candle wax is made up of hydrocarbons. That means hydrocarbons are anywhere in fuel, energy and many products we use every day. And that's why hydrocarbons are one of the most important topic in chemistry. Want to master hydrocarbon quickly? So today we are going to study an important topic of organic chemistry, that is hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons is basically composed of hydrogen and carbon. So hydrocarbons are an important compound of organic chemistry. It is made up of carbon and hydrogen. That means if a compound only contains carbon and hydrogen atom, it's called as hydrocarbon. For example, methane, ethane, propane, butane. Hydrocarbons are mainly found in petroleum, natural gas and coal. They are very important because they are used as fuel, solvents, raw material and chemicals. Basically, hydrocarbons are divided into two types, aliphatic and cyclic compound. We can also call aliphatic as an open chain compound and cyclic compound as a closed chain. Aliphatic compounds are basically divided into two types, that is saturated hydrocarbon and unsaturated hydrocarbons. Saturated means those compounds which contain single bond. Unsaturated means those compounds which contain double and triple bond. Then cyclic compounds are divided into two types, that is alicyclic and aromatic. Alicyclic compounds are those compounds which is closed chain but they do not have double bond inside it, as you can see here. It is just a closed chain. In aromatic compound, it will give aroma and it contain double bond and single bond at alternate position, as you can see in the benzene or in pentene. So saturated hydrocarbons are again divided into alkanes, which is CH4, C2H6, C3H8, C4H10, C5H12. The formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2. For example, we are taking carbon as 1. So here n equals to 1. So you can say that C1 carbon 1, then H equals to 1 into 1, 2 plus 2. So it is 2 plus 2, 4, CH4. Like this, C2H6, C3H8, C4H10 and C5H2. Unsaturated hydrocarbons are divided into two parts, alkene and alkyne. Alkene contain double bond and the formula is CnH2n. That is, if it will contain two carbon atom, then this will become, hydrogen become 4. Like this, C3H6, C4H8, C5H10, C6H12. Then in alkyne it contains triple bond and the formula is CnH2n minus 2. If the carbon is 2, then hydrogen will be 2. Like this, C3H4, C4H6, C5H8, C6H10. And in alicyclic compound, it is a closed chain compound. So it is like the cyclopropane, cyclobutane, cyclopentane and cyclohexane. In aromatic compound, the example is benzene and pentene. So हम लोगों ने देखा था अभी क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ हाइड्रोकार्बन्स. उसमें सबसे पहला था हमारा सैचुरेटेड वन, दैट इज अल्केन, है ना. सो अल्केन का जो फॉर्मूला होता है दैट इज CnH2n+2. यहाँ पर अगर हमारे पास में कार्बन, एन क्या डिनोट करता है, कार्बन को डिनोट करता है. अगर कार्बन हमारे पास में एक है तो क्या होगा, C1H2 × 1 + 2. तो ये क्या बनेगा, CH4। तो ये CH4 होता क्या है? कार्बन अगर एक है तो ये हमारा कहलाता है मिथ, और हम यहाँ पर जो प्रीफिक्स है वो लगाते हैं ANE, अल्केन का ANE, सो मिथेन। देन अगर कार्बन हमारे पास में 2 है तो ये क्या होगा आपका C2, फिर 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 2 प्लस 2, दैट इज 4 प्लस 2 6, C2H6, ये कहलाता है ईथ, एंड अल्केन का ANE इथेन। Like this, propane for 3C3, for C4, butane for C5, pentane for C6, hexane। बंद कर दे। For C3, the H becomes 6. It is called as prop, and alkene ka ENE, propene. For C4 H8, it is called as butene. Next, unsaturated hydrocarbon is alkyne. It contains triple bond, carbon-carbon triple bond. Its formula is CnH2n minus 2, and the prefix is Yne. So if carbon is 2, then H2 multiplied by 2 minus 2, so it becomes C2H2. It is stand for 2 carbon is ethene, so Yne, ethine. The prefix of alkyne is Yne, so it becomes ethine. Then next C3H3 multiplied by 2 minus 2, so it becomes C3 6 minus 2, so C3H4. It is propine. Like this, you need to go propine, butane, pentane, hexane, like this. Next hydrocarbon is cyclic hydrocarbon, which contain alicyclic and aromatic. These all are closed chain hydrocarbons. Alicyclic is like this. So alicyclic hydrocarbons contain no double bond, as you can see here. So it is a closed chain but no double bond. So यहाँ पर कितने कार्बन है? 1 2 3, 3 कार्बन को हम क्या बोलते थे? प्रो. That is cyclopropane. Then it is 1 2 3 4 carbon compound containing bute. और आगे क्या लगाना है? साइक्लो, क्योंकि ये साइक्लिक है. Then cyclo 1 2 3 4 5 cyclopentane. Then it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 cyclohexane. Now aromatic hydrocarbons are, this is also a closed chain hydrocarbon but it contains double bond in it. So this structure is of benzene, as you can see. Now this structure is of furane. So basic differences in alicyclic and aromatic hydrocarbon is that in alicyclic hydrocarbons you found only a single bond, but in aromatic hydrocarbon you found a carbon-carbon double bond also. Thank you so much guys for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Stay safe and healthy. Show your love to my channel. Thank you.